Hey, what's up, Benchwarmer fans? Tony here. Going to do a bots break, but this is actually not from eBay or from auctions. This is actually a purchase. So I purchased 4 boxes of Pink Archive, the final edition. So let's go ahead and open this up, and I'll probably do just a 1 bots break of it because I don't have much space on my phone. All right. So here it is. 4 boxes of Pink Archive. This one's kind of weird. Let's go ahead and open one. This one's like popping up. So we'll just do one. Oops. We'll just do this one first. Alright, so there it is. Pink Archive, the final edition. So wish me luck. Hopefully get some good stuff. Ooh, we got a good one. Let's go ahead and start with this stack here first. Alright, first we got Hiromi Oshima. This is from Past and Present, I believe, or the Christmas Past and Present, the ornament. Next we got Nicole Bennett, Pink Archive. Pretty nice. It's kind of messed up from the back though. Pretty cool. Next we got Lucy Miller. Hope it's focusing. There's the back to that. Next we got Holly Pockets. And there's the back to that. Next we got Jessica Rockwell from Daisy Dukes. Purple ink. There's the back to that. Next we got Raquel Pomplin, Daisy Dukes, purple ink, pretty nice back. Next we got Tiffany Taylor, Daisy Dukes. This is the Haystack autograph. Not numbered. We haven't gotten a numbered card yet. Next we got Markita Janska, Haystack. Next we got Katie Lohman, Haystack. I like Katie Lohman. Pretty hot. Next we got a number card. Renee Stone, 4 out of 4. This is from 2008 Signature Series with the Pink Archive stamp. And so we got 11 out of 25, Jamie Hammer. This is from 2013 Vegas Baby. I broke a case of this stuff. Next we got a 1 out of 3 Alex Agar. Pink Archive. This is from Bubblegum. Pretty nice. Now the money side, we got 3 thick cards. The first one is this awesome Christy Hemme. I love getting Christy Hemme. I feel like I hit the jackpot every time I get her. This is a pink slip. 1 out of 2. Christy Hemme. And there's the back to that. Pretty nice. Every time I get Christy Hemme, any of the WWE girls, I feel like I got hit the jackpot. Christy Hemme, Candice Michelle, Tori Wilson. Oof. Wow, we got a good one. We got a 1 of 1 Ryan Shamrock from 2012 Nationals. Oh, I just wish it was autographed. But that's cool, 1 of 1. Pretty cool. 1 of 1. Nice. Awesome. Another WWE diva, Ryan Shamrock. And our last hit is 9 out of 20, Jessa Hinton. This is a premium base, Pink Archive. Let's see if there's any hidden treasures. I don't think there's hidden treasures. No, there's not. So there it is. Awesome bots break. Love these 2 cards here. Awesome. Alright, well, thanks for watching, YouTube.